Hello guys, Shiba Inu is up by 20% for the last 24 hours. And if you remember this last video, this last analysis which I did on Shiba Inu, I did predicted that this was going to happen at this point in time. And exactly that is what is happening. So how can we be prepared for what is coming for Shiba Inu? Is it going to be short-lived, or this run is going to be for a longer period of time? This is what we're going to cover from today's video. Good. As you can see, let me just share my screen. Let me share my screen so that I can be able to share with you guys what I'm seeing, so that we also know what to expect. And just to remind you guys, if you want to get one-on-one with me, you want to know which cryptocurrency to buy, how to buy, when to buy, crypto analysis, forex trading, and all of that, you can get access to my Discord private community by checking my Patreon link on the video description below. When you join my Patreon, you'll be able to have access to my Discord private community. Good. So let's go over to Shiba Inu. You can see on my chart we have Shiba Inu, and this is the same prediction I gave you guys about 3 days ago. Because when it comes to cryptocurrencies, we have what we call meme coins. Presently, my long-term investments are in cryptocurrencies that have a project backing them up. But when it comes to meme coins like Shiba Inu is a meme coin. And when it comes to a meme coin like Shiba Inu, I only trade meme coins for shorter time periods, or on shorter time frames, all right? So I can't buy Shiba Inu and I'm planning to hold Shiba Inu for the next 5 years or for the next 10 years. No, that is just a meme coin. Maybe after a month, another meme coin is going to come up and the hype is going to be shifted to that one, and everybody will be talking about that particular meme coin. So I only hold my investments or my trading on meme coin temporarily. So on Shiba Inu, I presently have some investments on, or some holdings on Shiba Inu, and according to my analysis, I'm going to show you guys where I plan to sell all my positions, and also where I plan to liquidate all my positions if the market doesn't go as I plan. You can see on my screen, this is the same chart we had about 3 days ago, and I did told you guys that the chart was already forming a pattern which is known as the triangular pattern. You can see here we have a triangle, right? We have a triangle, and the market tested this level. This was around the 21 of October. The 21 of October, we tested this level. On the November 21, the same day on November 21, we tested the same level. This was on November 21. We tested 5th of November. We tested that level. And now on 18 November, we tested this same level here. And I did told you guys that, okay, as the market was already testing this level, and this triangular pattern was already confirmed, if the market has to break this triangle, then we should be expecting the market to be hitting around this area. Let me show you guys very clearly. I need an arrow trend line. So good. So let me just use this one. So according to my analysis, I told you guys that if the market has to break this particular trend line, then this is where I'm expecting the market to go. I'm expecting the market to get to this particular level. All right. So that is where I'm expecting the market to get to this particular level, which is 0.00088. 0.0008. I'm expecting the market to reach on 0008, and as soon as the market reach on 0008, I'm going to be selling all my positions, because just like I said, this is a meme coin. I don't have long-term investments on meme coins. Meme coins, I just trade them sometimes for fun, or I just trade them for the short vibe. All right, but coming to now long-term trading, I have cryptocurrencies that I'm going to only be selling after 5 years, after 10 years, after 15 years. Those crypto investments are on cryptocurrencies which have a project behind them, like crypto.com coin or Decentraland, the Sandbox. Those are cryptocurrencies that are backed by a particular project. Instead of putting my money on Dogecoin or on Chihuahua coin, Husky coin, Shiba Inu coin, and I hope that is going to give me a long-term return. No, you're just fooling yourself. You're just gambling. So as I'm saying, if the market has to rally back to this level, then I'm going to be short. I'm going to be liquidating. I'm going to be selling all my short-term positions, and I'll be moving my money to a project-backed cryptocurrency. But something can still happen. You can still see the market move from that place. you see something like this. Let me show you guys this thing. You see something like this. The market, let me just make sure I get the right tool. You can still see the market move from here, come back to this level. Then from this level, you see the market rally back to this line, and from this line before you still see. So you can still expect the market Shiba Inu to rally back to this particular trend line. Then from this trend line, that is where you'll be able to see the market is shooting up again. You can see. Let me choose. Good. From here, you can then see the market shooting from here. So it's either the market is just going to continue from the present market price, which has already risen for about 20%, or the market can retrace from this point to the 0.00039. Then from this point, it shoots to this level. Once it starts getting to inside this particular area, there's a high probability the market is going to test this area. See what has happened in the past. I want to show you guys this thing so that you can see very clearly. See what has happened in the past. You can see if we have to keep going behind, I think on DEX 2, I can see it very clearly. See this on TradingView.com. On TradingView.com, this is the same chart, the same thing we analyzed about a few days ago, and that is the same thing that is happening now, and we are already up by 20% in one day. But see what has happened. See what has been happening. So it's part of history. It's part of history in the market, right? See what has been happening. If we have to zoom in, you see the market has been. See what has been happening. This was around 13th of May. This was around 13th of May. On the 13th of May, let me just see this. Yeah, this was around 13th of May where we had our first bull run. We had our first bull run on the 13th of May. After which the market was like, the market crashed into half. The market went down by half. And from the 13th of May, from the 22nd of May, right up to the 2nd of October, the market was consolidating, totally consolidating. From the 2nd of October, that is when we had our second bull run. We had our second bull run from the 3rd of October right up to the 7th of October. After that, history repeat itself. We had like a dumping. There was a dumping again in the market where the market almost went down by half. After this, we had our third bull run from the 25th of October right up to the 28th of October. This is the one everybody spoke about, all celebrities spoke about. And what happened? Many people put their money into this, and this is what they call the buy and dump, cryptocurrency, or the hit and run cryptocurrencies. As many people poured their money into this thing, many people liquidated their positions. As many people liquidated their position, see what happened. The market dropped again for almost 50% to this particular level. So if history has to repeat itself, we might see another last bull run, which I call the last bull run. We might see another last bull run, which after that last bull run, we should be expecting the market to consolidate for like forever, or even drop in price, because this is a meme cryptocurrency. So what I'm expecting the market to rally from here to 0.00088. Or if it doesn't rally from there and it has to come back and test this line, I'll be expecting it to rally from here. And if it has to break this trend line, anytime the market break this particular trend line at 0.0003, if the market has to break that particular trend line at any point, I'm selling all my positions and I'm done with Shiba Inu. So as a good trader, as a profitable trader, you have to be prepared in any scenario, because anything can happen in the market, all right? So you have to be prepared in any scenario. I'm either waiting for the market to rally from this 20%. If the bull run continues, if the bull comes in, if the buy pressure is fine, then we might see the market continue rallying up to 0.008. But if it doesn't do that, you might see a small retracement to test back the 0.3Gs. Then from this level, you see a rally. Or you can, if it gets here, sellers win the battle, you can see the market pull back, like break this level. And if you break this level, bye-bye for Shiba Inu. You should sell all your positions, and that is it. And guys, remember, always do your research, always do your due diligence before putting most of this thing in practice. I'm not just financial advisor. You have to do it. It doesn't mean this is what is working for me. It doesn't mean the same thing is going to work for you if you don't do your research, or if you don't know what you are doing. With that being said, we've come to the end of this video. For the people in my Patreon, we're going to discuss more about this with the people in my Patreon community. So you can check the link on the video description to get access to my Patreon community, where we share most of this on a daily basis. And also check the links below for the best crypto platform to use in trading, or the best Forex broker to use in trading Forex. And remember the term, trade in Forex and invest in crypto. When it comes to Forex and crypto, this is the one stop you need, and everything you need is on this channel. So till then, stay profitable, stay happy, invest on these coins, invest in your future, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Follow these videos at the end so that you can also watch all the previous analysis which I did previously. Make sure you follow this video. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.